We're back on Battlefield, ladies and gentlemen. We are gunner on a helicopter. Attack chopper at that. We're being locked on too. Time to fight back. That jet was definitely locking on to me. We got an experienced pilot here. This ought to be interesting, ladies and gentlemen. I'm an experienced gunner. Looking for a base is being taken. Right there. Okay, we got a jet on our ass. Trying to fight back the anti-air. My pilot is flying low to avoid radar and break the lock. Just narrating you guys, letting you know what's happening here. We think he's, flying too low, risking it all. This guy's a pro. We got attack helicopter beef right now. Let's get this guy before he gets us. Okay, we got it. He's out. Obliterated. Next. Man, you get me seasick here with all this diving, bro. We got a soldier on Echo. Foxtrot. Let's go back. Boom. We got kills. Flares. Okay, Alpha's being attacked right now. I'm gonna hit this mountain here and I'm gonna snipe on Alpha. Almost got cut by the blades, man. That was a risky maneuver. Okay, since Alpha's being attacked, there should be some infantry there. That makes it juicy, okay? Needs a good spot to snipe on. And Nava's right. Swarming with infantry. Good thing I got out of that chopper. He's gone. That could have been me. Okay, it's looking like that base is empty. I'm gonna fight my way over there. Try to cap the base. While captivating an audience at the same time. Ah, failed. There's a guy down there. Battling Ram. I'm going back after you, you prick. That bot name. He overkilled me. Back in the chopper, and he's about right there. Get that fuck ton. Fuck this, I'm jumping out. I'm a revenge-minded motherfucker. There he goes. Headshot. Got your payback, boy. I told you I'd get that prick. Always get my man. Always get my man. And on that note, that bombshell, we're going to cut it. We'll be back.